Hello and welcome to another instructional video from me, Craig Cash from Twist and Make Balloons. Today we are going to be learning a drone. Now, not like your wife droning on, yeah, but actually like a flying drone. Yeah, we're going to need a 350 in grey or whatever colour you wish to make them in. We're going to start it off with 2 pinch twists at the start. These are about 1.5 to 2 fingers because obviously we're working in a larger balloon and we need to make those bubbles slightly bigger. So we have those, okay? We're then going to go along basically a hand and a thumb. We need to keep this under 250 whatever it is, kg or whatever. Yeah, basically, we need to keep it light, otherwise we're not allowed to fly it. So we have that. So hand and a thumb, then followed by 2 pinch twists again. I forgot I was supposed to be teaching you, not making it. So we're going to tie that off. That is our base of our drone. Oh. So we literally have that. So we've got 2 pinch twists, sort of 2 fingers-ish. Yeah, pinch twist, followed by another one, hand and a thumb, 2 pinch twists. That is our base of our drone. Real quick, really easy. Take another grey balloon. This one's a 260. We're going to be putting 2 tiny pinch twists on. So this is 1 finger and a pinch twist, 1 finger and a pinch twist. We're then going to come down about 3 fingers and give that a 1 finger pinch twist. We're then going to come across about 4 fingers and we're going to go into one of those clumps of pinch twists on the 350. Like that. So we're going to have 1 pinch twist on the 350 going this way, 1 going this way. What this does is it kind of gives us a slightly different look on the front, and if you wanted to add a camera you could do. So once again, 4 fingers, 1 finger pinch twist, 3 fingers followed by 2 1 finger pinch twist. We're then going to get rid of this part. Tie that off. There we go. Straighten it all up. So we have that so far. Yeah, if we turn it like that, it looks like a little bit like a robot. So if we're making it, we can be doing a few jokes. We don't know what we're making. Yeah. And everything like that, especially if you're making it as a little bit of a surprise. We're going to do it exactly the same again. Yeah, so 2 pinch twists, 3 fingers. You can always line it up with the other side just to make sure you're getting it right. Followed by a 1 finger pinch twist, followed by 4 fingers. Run those pinch twists at the back or the front, depending which way you're making it from. Straighten it all up. We're going to go 4 fingers, 1 finger pinch twist, followed by 3 fingers, followed by 2 1 finger pinch twists. So while I've got you, while you're making this, yeah, if you are new to the channel, make sure you do like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. What this does is it lets me know you're out there, makes me realise that I'm making content that you guys want to watch, and therefore I will continue making it. If I'm not getting any sort of reaction back from you, I don't know if anyone's actually watching it, if it's any good content. If it's not good content, I'll be honest, I just won't bother making it. So if you are enjoying it, make sure you are liking and subscribing because it helps me out no end. Okay, We're then going to take, now I'm going to do it in 260, but you could do it in 160. It looks better in 160. I'll be honest, I just haven't got any black 160. So we're going to take a black 260. We're going to come across and we're going to go 3 fingers. Okay, like so. We're going to then go into the 260 double pinch twist. And we're going to go 3 fingers again. We're going to snap that off. Keep this side. Tie this off. What sort of things do you guys want to learn? Do you want to learn more sort of line work? Do you want to make more delivery sort of pieces? What are you looking for when you are on YouTube looking for models? Are you looking for something that's unique? Are you looking for the old techniques? Are you after this, that and the other? Do you want to know how to snap a balloon off? You know, we take it for granted that everyone kind of knows. Perhaps you don't know. Do you want to learn? You know, let me know. Make a comment. You might be the first person to make a comment. Scary, I know. But we're all entertainers. It's fine. So we're going to make another one. We've got 3 fingers. We're going to go around that other pinch twist. Wrap it around. Followed by 3 fingers. And then snap that off. Probably could get another one out of that. But I'll be honest, I've already got 1 balloon blown up. You could, if you're doing this with 160, you could viably do it with 160. I'm pretty sure you can get around the whole lot. Line them up, make sure they're flat, otherwise they're not gonna, it won't fly. So we've got something like that so far. We're then going to take our next one and we're going to go 3 fingers. I kind of, so you can see how quick this model comes together. Okay, I can make this in around 5 minutes. Yeah, without sort of yapping on and sort of showing people how to do it and all that sort of thing. I got it down to 5 minutes because I was actually going to make it at a competition in the UK at Blackpool, which is now the British Balloon Bash. Yeah, they have a 5 minute and a 30-minute competition. We're going to do exactly the same again, so 3 fingers. Yeah, so I got this down to about sort of 5 minutes. Yeah, because it was going to be my 5 minute competition piece. But instead of making this, I went to the bar instead and got drunk, which didn't win me the competition, but I had a good time. And sometimes that's what it's about. So we're going to trim off, tidy up all the ends. Yeah, no one wants to see tatty ends. Yeah, straighten things up. Okay, so we have it like this. Okay, this is your drone. Okay, now you can add more details. Like I say, you could add a camera, you could do bits and pieces. We are going to go one step further right now. Yeah, because what we need for a drone, they're not self-flying, so we're going to need 3 fingers followed by a pinch twist, followed by 4 fingers followed by a pinch twist. We're then going to go back to our original first pinch twist, back over again and back down. Okay, at 3 fingers. We're going to take this off. I'm just going to put the drone over there for a second. Tie this part off. So we had 3 fingers followed by a pinch twist, followed by 4 fingers across to a pinch twist, back again to the original pinch twist, back again to the second pinch twist, then 3 fingers. this has given us a very basic controls. Now we can elevate it that slightly bit more by taking a 260. We can tulip twist it. Which this controller, fantastic if someone asks you for an Xbox controller, or you know, like a game controller sort of thing. Get everything in there. So you can see we have got a button. You could do another button on the other side. Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to snap this off, tie this off, and you could get another button if you so wished. Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push this in. I'm going to do another tulip twist, slightly larger than before. I'm going to do a pinch twist, which will lock that tulip twist in. Okay, so we have that. Yeah. I'm going to take the drone and I'm going to add a camera. So we're going to go like that. It looks like a little tiny boot. Go 1.5 fingers up. Take this part off, tie it off. Add it to the bottom of our drone. So we have a camera on the front of our drone. Yeah. We've got a controller for our drone. Yeah. Like this. Now this is great, but I can't fly it and control it because I'm going to need 2 hands. Yeah. So what we can do is you can make a very basic hat base. Like this. Yeah, so a loop, 2 pinch twist, goes on the head like so. Right. Now, what we can do is we can take this part, yeah, we can put a bubble on it, and we can attach it to the back of our drone. Like that. Yeah. Here we go, straighten everything up. Okay. So we have it like this, okay? We then get our controller. If I come down to like here, so you can kind of see. We put this on, we've got our drone, we're flying, we've got our controller. Wah! I want my privacy. There we go. One drone hat, one controller. You got like 3 balloons in one shot there. Hopefully you like it, hopefully you'll use it. If you do, like I say, make sure you're hitting that like and that subscribe. I don't want to keep going on about it, but it does really help. Okay, so that's it for now. Hope you enjoy it. Thumbs up from me, thumbs up from you. Bye bye.